In the shadow of the old baobab tree, Mama told us stories carried by the wind of kings who rode through rivers of fire, and children stolen far away from home. The drums once spoke our names at night. Now silence walks through broken lands, but the moon still remembers our voices, and the sand still carries our pain. Oh, Africa, your soul still breathes through the tears of forgotten queens, through the dust of ancient roads. Your heartbeat never left us. I hear the mothers softly pray as the warriors disappear with dawn. Their footsteps fade into the desert, but their spirit still lives on. Chains could never hold our spirit. Darkness could not blind the sun. From the ashes of lost kingdoms, we rise again, we rise as one. Oh, Africa, your fire remains inside the blood of every child. Though the world tried to erase us, your roots still grow beneath the veil. The rivers carry ancient whispers. The mountains got forgotten names, and every cry beneath the heavens still calls us back to who we are. I am the daughter of the old songs. I am the daughter. I am the voice they could not break. I am the daughter. I carry generations in my heartbeat. I am the daughter, and I will sing for them today. Oh, Africa, your soul